How's it going out there today in YouTube land? You're Flippin' Mike. Today I'm gonna have a friend in. I like to help my friends out, and I like to work on sleds. So we're gonna pull his sled in here. I've been storing it here for him, and I've done a little bit of work to it on the past. So we're gonna pull it in here and see if we can get it freshened up for the season. We're gonna see what happens. Let's have a good time. We're gonna be moving Mosquito out the way here. I gotta do a little bit of cleaning, reorganizing my shop here. We're not working on the Mosquito project today. We will be working at it again probably in the next upcoming video. What is it? Triple formula in here, and we're gonna be doing some work on it. We're gonna try to get ready for this upcoming season. So hopefully you guys are hanging out, having a good time, ready to come on this ride. It's actually a pretty nice sled. I can't wait to see this thing run this year. I don't know if you gonna keep this one or are you gonna sell it, bud?
I think we might sell if the right buyer hits us up.
Might sell if the right buyer hits us up. Rundown. Take some things apart, look inside your stuff, and see what's going on. That's the best advice I can give you. Get the reeds out of the power valves. So these are the reeds. So you take them down here, some parts cleaner, spray, put them in the pan, spray them down. You see how bad junky that is right there? We're gonna spray these down with some parts cleaner, wipe them down. If we gotta use a really fine wire brush to clean them. They don't have any damage to them, so that's a good sign. But we'll be using parts cleaner, regular parts cleaner, shining them up, and then putting them back in. Change out crankcase fluid. Formula 3. We're working on the Formula 3 Rotex here. And I'm going to pull all three carbs, clean those out. pretty damn junky inside these. One of the things that need to be done. So he sealed up part of the exhaust. We cleaned out the powered exhaust valves. We checked spark plugs, put those in firing order, and then test ran it yesterday. Did not run so good. So today I am cleaning out these carburetors, and they are nasty. Woohoo! They are looking like poop. They look like dookie poopy. And you don't want dookie poopy inside your carbies. Another bugaboo. No dookie poopy inside your carbs. Normally every year I run my carbs dry so they stay clean. He unfortunately did not do this. And they sat with some dookie poopy. And we have some crust on this inner last carb here. Middle carb wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be, but it's pretty nasty. They were all three pretty nasty. So got them sitting in some carb cleaner. And hopefully they'll be looking gorgeous here soon. I figured out trying to test drive it. Can't get over about 10 miles an hour. That's because the clutch is not engaging properly. So when I pick the back end of the snowmobile up and I set it up on my little ladder over here, I can wind it out. I can get to about 7,000 RPMs. Track spins really good, getting about 70 miles an hour on the speedometer, which means we should be able to buck. We should be able to buck fast. We should be able to buck fast, good, solid, clean. Pop the hood, the clutch is not engaging down onto the belt. So, we're gonna do some research and then we'll be back in another video to see what we figured out. But thank you guys for watching so much. This is Formula 3 Part 1. So, thank you guys so much for watching. This is the 95 Formula 3 Ski